Yes, I think I will start now. Walaikum assalam, Aman. Okay, my chat box has gone behind again. Where is Sanket? I think Chaitanya Hande, I think you don't have a number. Please put up your number against your name, everyone. All right. Where's my screen?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. You can't see my screen, right?
No, ma'am.
Just a minute. I am so sorry. Okay. Can you all see the screen now? Yes? Okay, come on, let's start. Wasted a lot of time again. Okay. Where did we stop last class? Where were we? We were doing sentence correction, right? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I need you all to be active. Sentence completion or sentence correction? Sentence completion, I think. Yes. I think we were discussing hegemony, right? Question number 13th, hegemony. The British, yes. Question number 13, yes. I had asked you how you can pronounce the word Hegemony, isn't it?
Hegemony.
It's hegemony, okay? All right, I'm not able to access the chat box. Okay, right. Yes. Okay. So the answer will be, what will the answer be? Is it going to be domicile, residence, or inheritance? What do you mean by domicile? What is the meaning of domicile, children? What do you mean by domicile? Yes, you can put it up in the chat box. Children, sleeping? Residence.
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Fazan has given me the answer as residence. Okay, all right. Residence of what? Your or residence of a country, isn't it? That is called domicile. Yeah? Okay. What about inheritance? What is the meaning of inheritance? Why is only Fazan answering me? Why only Fazan is answering me? Then I want only Fazan in the class. If only Fazan is going to answer, then I only want Fazan in the class. Okay. So the British hegemony all over Africa and Asia collapsed in the first. What is this? Mute yourself. Where is this coming from?
Ankur, mute.
Yes. Yeah. So what is the meaning of hegemony? What is the meaning? Okay, I asked you inheritance meaning. Nobody was giving me the meaning. That's why I went Okay, Sanket has given inheritance means qualities that developed in life. Okay, qualities that otherwise, what does inheritance mean? Birthright to or receive. Okay, you need to, okay. Birthright, I give it, yeah. Heritage, yeah. But what? Explain that. What is that? What is it? Inheritance means what? You're inheriting something. What is the meaning of that?
Learn something from something,
Explain it to me. Huh?
something that you bring in which is already there, which already exists.
Yeah,
Like
that means like what? Like what?
like qualities or
Some things
skills.
that, yes, it can be qualities,
Qualities
it
or
can be
skills.
skill, it can be knowledge, something not something which is knowledgeable, yes. And what?
Mm,
Something that is passed down. What is the actual meaning of inheritance? Something that is passed down
Parents.
from your parents, right?
Yes.
From your parents to you, something that you have inherited from them. Yes. Whatever examples you have said. Yes. Okay. All right. That is called inheritance. Domicile, residence, yes. Hegemony means what? What is the meaning of hegemony? Hegemony means simply,
leadership.
yes, hegemony simply means leadership. Okay. So that is the appropriate word over there. Yes. Question number 14 is quite easy. Please check that. I don't think we need to discuss that. It's very easy. Yes. Yes. Question number 15. Mm, question number 14 you want me to discuss? I hope you know the meaning of it. What is the meaning of put
No,
off?
ma'am.
The meaning of put off. Put off means what? Okay, put off means what? Put off means what? Tell me, what is the meaning of put off? No? You all know the meaning, right? I don't think I need to discuss that. Then give me the meaning. What is the meaning of put off? Arya doesn't know. Okay, good. Hmm. Put off means what, children? Yes. Bad quality.
Get rid of.
Not bad. It can't be bad. Yes, somebody gave me the answer. To get rid of.
Rid of.
Can be to get rid of. Okay, we can give that. Yes, put off means to delay something. You are. Somebody has given me the answer. Sanket has given Siddharth. Siddharth, you meant postpone? Did you mean postpone? Yes, put off means to delay something. Okay, all right. Anything else? Called off, you know what is the meaning of call off? That is to cancel. Turned off. Turned off means something which you don't like or something that is very disturbing. That is called turned off. All right. Okay. Next, Arya, I hope you understood. Yes. Next, if I were rich, yes, we have discussed this thing 2 weeks back. We have discussed this. Yes, if I were rich, yes, again, conditional clause, isn't it? We had discussed this. I think we discussed if,
Yes, ma'am. We did.
I think we discussed if I were a millionaire, isn't it? Okay, it's the same sentence over here. So again, it is what? Conditional clause over here. So if I were rich, what would come here? If would be followed by what?
I would travel.
Would.
If would be, yeah, if would be followed by children. Children, what happened? I don't understand why you all don't want to answer.
Would.
Then I will only answer and finish it off. Okay. Yeah. So it is a conditional clause with what we have already discussed. It's a hypothetical situation, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Situation. So if I were rich, so past simple would be followed by what? Would plus. Yes, it would be followed by would. So check if
Would.
would is there.
Option C.
The hypothetical situation. So it will be followed by would. Yes. So would is there. Don't look anywhere else. Just straight away write, I would travel. Yes. Within a second, you can solve that question. Understood, children? Yes. Next one, they apologize. Oh, it's very easy. They apologize. I don't think that is required. Okay, question number 17. Question number 17, again, very easy. If you're tired of swimming, just, it is obvious, isn't it?
Float.
Yes, ma'am. Just float
Very
away.
obvious, very easy. Okay, let's move on. It's very obvious. He had, again, very easy. Question number 18, very easy. I'm not going into that. Very, very easy. Did you have a look at question number 18? You all must have got the answer even without looking at the option, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Question, I would not commit. Okay, question number 19. Yes, question number 19. I would not commit myself of that cause of action.
No, ma'am.
By that
To that
cause of
co-
action. Two. I hope you know that we have
Yes,
discussed
ma'am.
two. We have discussed that also. To and into, isn't it? To preposition always when to preposition comes. What is it? What is it when to preposition comes? TO2, not TWO. To when that to preposition comes, what is it? It indicates movement, isn't it? So there is a movement there. So it will be two. Okay. It will take just 1 second for you all to write the answer. It's quite easy. Yes. Question number 20. Question number 20. The soldiers wanting to go into battle for the first time were full of apprehension, consideration, anticipation, frivolity. Yes. Yes. Cannot be consideration, cannot be anticipation. Okay. If you don't know the meaning of frivolity, then it's a fight between A and D, isn't it? Yes. What is it? What is it? The soldiers wanting to go into battle for the first time were full of,
It is waiting.
they are going for the first time. So when you're doing something for the first time, Arsalan, good evening. Yes, join the class quickly. Yes. Read the sentence again. The soldiers waiting to go into the battle for the first time. So when you're going into something for the first time, what is the first emotion that hits you? What is it? Okay.
Fear, nervousness.
Well, it's different emotions, isn't it? Sometimes you feel like crying, sometimes you feel very happy. What is the most common emotion?
Nervousness and fear.
Nervous. Yes, you are nervous or you are in too much excitement, isn't it? It depends upon individuals. So, what is the best suited meaning for this one? So, go for sorry, go for the meaning which is closest to nervous. Go
Apprehension.
closest to nervous. We know that it is not consideration. We know that it is not anticipation. What is the meaning of anticipation? You're anticipating something. What is it? What is the meaning of anticipation? Come on, you don't need to check anywhere. To anticipate means what, children? You don't need to check anywhere. Come on. Yes, you are expecting something. Yes, you are expecting. Yes, that is anticipation. So obviously it's not anticipation. Okay, what's the meaning of frivolity? What is the meaning of frivolity? Frivolity means what, children? I don't know what has happened to all of you. You were so active 2-3 weeks back. You all were so active. What has happened to all of you? You all don't want me to discuss. You all just want me to read the question, discuss the answer like a robot. Then tell me that. I'll do that also. Huh? No, ma'am. Please discuss. Only Arya wants me to discuss. Okay, fine. What is the meaning of frivolity? Quick. What is the meaning of frivolity, children? Oh my God, what has happened to all of you? I can't understand.
Lack of seriousness.
Seriousness, okay, because of the exam. Okay, I get it. But that doesn't mean that you cannot answer me. I'm also asking you some question, isn't it?
Frivolity means lack of seriousness.
Ma'am, frivolity means lack of
Yeah, sorry.
heart rate.
You were telling me about the meaning. Okay, all right. I thought you all were telling me because why you all are not answering me, because you all are very serious because exams are nearing. Okay, lack of seriousness. Very good. Frivolity means to have some fun. Yes, fun. Frivolity means fun. So obviously it cannot be B. Yes, casual. It cannot be B. It cannot be C. It cannot be D. Something which is very close to nervousness is apprehension. Okay, this is how you have to fill in your sentence completion. Even if you don't know the meaning, whichever meaning you know, you know, compare that meaning with it. Just now, how did we do? What is the meaning of apprehension? Okay, excite. No. What did I ask you? For the first time, when soldiers go in, or when you do something for the first time, what is the emotion that hits you? Okay, you have to think in like these terms. Only then you will get the answer. If you know the meaning, then it's all merry. Okay, there is no need to worry about anything. Oh, all right. So that is clear. Next one. The tired traveler. Okay. Question number 21, also very easy. But okay. The tired traveler strolled on in the hope of finding some resting place, scurried, paraded, plodded. All right. Okay. So what is the speaker? He's a tired traveler. So the speaker is a tired traveler. So obviously he's not going to stroll because it's not a park. Okay. He stroll in a park, isn't it? So obviously it's not option A. He's tired. So he has to find a resting place. So obviously it's not strolled. Scurried. Do we know the meaning of scurried? Okay. We'll keep that aside if we don't know. Paraded. Okay. We are not going to parade something. We are not going to display something because the traveler is tired and he wants to rest. Okay, so it's not A and it's not C. Okay, it should be either B or D. Why? Because we don't know the meaning of scurried. Or do you know the meaning of scurry? Does anybody know the meaning of scurry? Children? Children? My sleepy children?
Ma'am, in hurry.
Meaning of scurry? No, you don't know the meaning
In
of
hurry, ma'am. In hurry.
No, please say
Scurried,
that
ma'am.
you don't know scurry meaning. Yes.
In hurry.
Huh?
In hurry.
In a hurry. Okay, very good. Fazan has given the meaning quick or in a hurry. Blast. Abhishek, blast. Can scurry meaning come as blast? No, blast is nowhere related to your being in a hurry or your racing. You know, racing, quick, hurry, moving. Yes, Siddharth, move hurriedly. To move hurriedly with short steps. Okay, yes, that is the correct answer for scurry. Okay, it cannot be blast. What? Blast what?
Ma'am,
Okay, that is called scurry. All right, so moving quickly. So a tired traveler obviously cannot,
ma'am,
isn't it? So B is not an option. So we are left with plodded. So our answer will be plodded. What is the meaning of that? You are moving slowly.
taking heavy steps.
Meaning of, yes, you are moving slowly. That is the, in layman's language, we don't need a heavy meaning for that because plodded is already heavy, isn't it? So plodded means what? You're moving slowly. Why? Because you have a sentence here. The traveler is tired. Obviously, when we are tired, what happens? We move very slowly, isn't it? Yeah. See, this is how. Now, did you understand, children, how to connect? Children, I need you all to answer either yes or no. Now, did you all understand how to connect? Even if you don't know the meaning,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to connect. You need to connect. That is why they give you the sentence. Okay, you must be thinking they can just give us the word meaning and then we will, you know, we can describe or whatever. No, it's not like that. They're giving you the sentence so that you understand at least from the sentence what is the best suited word. All right. This is how you have to connect in the question paper, even if you don't know the answer. That is why I'm explaining. All right, question number 22. I think it is easy. Okay, let's see. The car was damaged beyond repair in the outrageous accident, ghastly, nasty. Okay, heinous, yes. Which one? Outrageous. Okay, accident cannot be described as outrageous. All right, so it cannot be A. Nasty accidents, grammatically not correct. So maybe we could leave out nasty. Ghastly, what is the meaning of ghastly? What is the meaning of ghastly, children? Children, ghastly? शांत शांत हो गए सब लोग. Oh, okay. Ghastly means what? It's given there, isn't it? Something which is very shocking or terrible. Obviously, accidents are what? Accidents are terrible, unpleasant. You cannot watch or you cannot hear, isn't it? Yes, it is frightening also. Yes, when you hear about a horrific accident, yes, horrific. Horrific is another word. Yes, horrific accident. What happens? You get scared, isn't it? Because it's that terrible. Yes, so ghastly means what? Shocking. Okay. What is the meaning of egregious? I'll just okay, children, what is the meaning of egregious? What is the meaning of this? Since we are in ghastly, I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this? Children, my dear children. See, if you don't answer, I'll keep repeating like this. My dear children, my dear children. Do you want me to say that? Because I'm sure there are many people who get disturbed because of that repetition.
Egregious means badly.
Badly. Okay, I can hear somebody. All right. Badly. Okay, how do you spell that? How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that word? Children, how do you pronounce that word? Egregious. Pronounce that word for me, everyone.
Egregious.
What?
Egregious.
Egregious. Yes, very good. Only one person answering, and I don't know.
Egregious.
Yes, two persons. A second person has answered. All right, good.
Egregious.
Okay, another third person. You all are awake. Yes.
Egregious.
All right, 5 and 6. Very good. Okay, enough now.
Egregious.
Yes, I got it. Now enough. Okay. Egregious, isn't it? So what is the meaning of egregious? Yes, egregious has the same meaning as ghastly. Okay, ghastly and egregious has the same meaning. Get acquainted with these words. Scurry, plauded, ghastly, egregious. Get acquainted with all these words. Okay, atrocious. All these words you need to get acquainted with. All right. Yes, it is shocking. Okay. All right. Now spell this for me. Spell the last one, option D. Spell it for me. Pronounce it for me. How do you do? Give me the pronunciation of option D. Question number 22, option D.
Heinous.
Again, my dear children, have you all gone off to sleep again?
Heinous.
Heinous.
Yes.
It is not. Somebody was about to give me heinous, isn't it?
Heinous.
Somebody was going to give me heinous. It is not heinous. I have heard many, even elders, even people who are professional, sometimes instead of heinous, they pronounce it as heinous. It happens, but it is not a problem. But I'm just giving you the right pronunciation. Okay. All right. Okay. It is heinous. All right. Okay. Now, okay, we are done with. Okay. I hope you all know the meaning of heinous, isn't it? I actually told you the meaning also for heinous.
No, ma'am.
Yes, I did. When I told you that you have to get acquainted with ghastly, what is that, egregious, and plauded. I said one more word. Does anybody remember that? I meant.
Heinous can also be like wrong. No.
Yeah, but I
Like
mentioned
crime,
the meaning.
crime
Okay.
or something.
That is in a sentence. It will come. You are going to do a heinous crime. Okay, that is in a sentence. I am telling that when I was saying that you have to get acquainted with ghastly, scurried, plauded, and egregious, I mentioned one more word. That word is the meaning for heinous. What is that word? Did anybody hear that word? 47 people we have here and none of you have heard that word. I mean, 47 minus me and I and whoever is there in the office. Okay. Nobody heard that word. Sanket? Nobody? I mentioned heinous meaning. Nobody heard it. Oh my God, children, you are actually sleeping, isn't it? Huh? Oh, you all can't understand my language. What is
Scurry.
Sorry. Huh? Sorry for?
Scurry, you told, ma'am.
Scurry. Okay, I said scurry. Yeah, scurry, I said. Yeah, but I said scurry, plauded, ghastly. And then I said one more word that you have to get acquainted with all these words. What was that one more word? That one more word was the meaning of heinous. Didn't I mention atrocious? Did I mention or didn't I?
Yes, ma'am, you did.
I did, right? Then how come all the 45 participants missed it? Huh? How did none of them give me that answer? Why like that? That means you all are not paying any attention to my class. It's of no use taking the class then. I'm simply wasting my time. Isn't it? Okay. So heinous means what? Heinous means what? It is atrocious. Like somebody gave an example. Heinous crime. Yes.
Shocking act.
Crime is always heinous, isn't it? It is always dirty. It is always evil. It is atrocious. Yes. Okay. All right. I hope somebody is Fazan sir here? I hope he's taking the attendance, because yesterday also I missed taking the attendance. Children, 5 minutes before the class, please remind me, okay? All right. I hope you all know what is atrocious spelling. Atrocious, very easy, isn't it? Spelling of atrocious, everybody type. Come on, move your fingers. You all are sleeping, I think. I'm the only person who's energetic here. Huh? You all need to gulp down some vitamin C and some coffee. Yes? Yes, I can see Abhishek, Sanket, Arya, Ashish, Siddharth, Arsalan. Yes, why you all not discussing? Children who are typing. Good, you've typed the answer, atrocious. Yes, I hope you all are aware of the spelling. All right. Question number 23. Yes. Okay, we have a word here which is... Okay, all right. They gave a dinner to celebrate the occasion, which impressed every guest. Yes, option A, B, C, D. Obviously, we know that it is going to be, because we all are aware of the word sumptuous. Even if you don't know the meaning, you know that it is going to come. Which option is going to come here? Option C. Why? Because sumptuous means what? Something which is very impressive, something which is a dinner which has high quality, or which is lavish. Yes,
Royal
sumptuous.
look, like lavish.
Yes, it is very impressive, isn't it? Royal.
Yes, ma'am.
How do they look? They look very impressive and stylish, isn't it? So even if you don't know A, B and D, you know that it is sumptuous, because it's quite a common word. All right. What is option A? What is option A? How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? Children, what is it? A-U-S-T-E-R-E. Yes. How do you pronounce that? Yes, austere, isn't it? What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning?
Having no comfort. Having no comfort.
Having no?
Comfort. Luxurious.
No comfort.
Where?
Yes. Having no comfort. What is another meaning for that? Having no comfort. What is another meaning for that? Severe. Yes, it is severe or stern or very strict diet, isn't it? Austere. Austere. Where do you?
Comfortable.
When you are in a vegan diet, or when you're in a fat diet, what do you use? The word austere comes, isn't it? Strict diet, austere diet, isn't it? Yes. When you have a vegan diet, or when you're following some fat diet. Yes. All right. Strict, harsh. Yes. A very serious diet. Yes. All right. So that is done there. I hope you know the meaning of public summary. All right. Once the manuscript. Okay. Question number 24 is very easy. Not okay. Question number 25. Yes. Question number 25. Yes. Quickly give me the answer. Discuss question number 25 for me quickly. Yes. C. Okay. Tell me who all are going for C. Okay. All right. I have how many students? 44 students. Okay. A, B, C, D we have. Let's discuss. Yes, come on. Arslan says it's C. Arya says it's A. Anybody with a different answer? Anybody with a different answer? I want everybody to answer. Where is Abhishek, Abhay, Dolas, Sanket, Parth, Lalit? All are quiet, isn't it? You all are there? Ashish says A. All right. Omkar A. All right. I've not got enough answers. I want more answers. Otherwise, I will leave it at this. C, stand up. Okay. Okay, C and A. It's a tie between C and A. Anybody with a different answer? Okay, Malhar has given me B. Okay, very good, Malhar. Okay, anybody with a different answer? Anybody going for D and B? Anybody who wants to go for D and B? Quickly, quickly. Okay, Malhar, keep the answer. Keep the answer with you. Please don't say anything. Okay. Ashish says B. Okay. Anybody with D and B answer? D or B? I have got children giving me answer for question number 25 as A and C. Then we have Malhar giving B. We have
Ma'am.
giving B. Wait. Before anybody discusses, I want somebody to give me D as the answer. Okay, Soham says D. Okay. Anybody with D option? Anybody with D option? Nobody. Okay, since we have 5 minutes. Okay, Harshal with D. Okay, all right. Abhay
And I'm reminding you to attendance because you told 5 more minutes on the remaining.
Yes, Sanket, please take the attendance, Bacha. I need to explain this. Sanket, will you do it for me? Sanket, say yes or no, otherwise I'll take the attendance. Sanket, I need to explain this. Will you take the attendance for me? Oh God, Sanket. Huh? I will. Okay, Ashish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Okay, let me explain this. Okay, I've got A and C. Mostly children have given me A and C. Then we have some giving me B and D. Okay. Now, children, let me tell you, always the answer that is given below cannot be right. Okay. They have made an extremely atrocious mistake they have made over here. All right. It is not right. It is not stand up. What is the meaning of stand up, everyone? Tell me. Stand up matlab kya hai? Huh? When you're standing in a queue, can you stand up? Can you stand up? It doesn't make any sense. Is it making any sense? Tum log queue mein khade ho, okay? Can you stand up? You are already in a standing position when you're in a queue, isn't it? You are in a standing, it is understood. Why? Why is it understood? Because it is standing and not sitting. You don't sit in a queue, isn't it? But some people say that, yeah, I'm sitting in a queue. Okay, fine. But over here, since it is stand option, we already assume that the speaker was in a standing position, isn't it? So in queues, how do you stand up? I am used to stand up in queues. No, what is the meaning of stand up? What do you stand up? What is the meaning of stand up? Tell me. Tell me, give me the answer quick. Stand up matlab kya hota hai? Is it making any sense? Children who all have given me the answer C. You all gave me C. Is it grammatically to ek to correct nahi hai? Logically bhi right nahi hai, isn't it? Huh? How do you stand up in a queue? You are already in a standing position. Stand up matlab kya hai? You stand up for yourself. You're fighting against something, isn't it? That is called stand up. Stand up has so many meanings, isn't it? But this over here for this sentence, stand up is not correct. It is incorrect, isn't it? Isn't it, children? Quickly say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Children who gave me D as the answer. Children D as the answer. Standing still. When you're in a queue, how do you stand still? Do you stand still in a queue?
No, ma'am, we keep on moving.
Children, where is the logic? Standing still. Have you ever, were you always in a still position in a queue? No, right? We are so fidgety. We are human beings, isn't it? Not robots. We can't stand still. Come on. Even if it is not grammatically it is not right. Logically, it is not right, isn't it? What is the sentence in? The sentence is what? It is in present continuous tense, isn't it? So when it is present continuous tense, what happens? It shows you're standing in a queue. It shows us that it is either a habit or a trend, isn't it? I am used to stand in queues. Children who gave the option as A, is it right? Is it grammatically right? I am used to stand in queues. No. Why? Because the sentence is in continuous tense. It is in continuous tense. Which is the word that will come in continuous tense, children? 7th standard grammar.
Standing.
ing form. ing form, continuous tense, isn't it? 7th standard grammar. So the answer will be, I am used to standing in queues. Understood, my dear children? Yes. A pat on the back for Malhar because he was the only, I think Malhar and Ashish gave the right answer. Yes, very good. It is standing, isn't it? Did you understand A, B,
Yes, ma'am.
option clear? All right. I hope Ashish or Sanket has taken the attendance. Send it to me. Oh yeah, you need my number.
Ma'am, just give your number.
I send it.
Acha, Sanket has sent it. He sent it. Now I recognize Sanket's voice. Huh? That's nice. All right. My time is up. I hope you understood stand, standing, stand up, and stand.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, can you please give your number in chat?
Why? Why you want my number? You
Ma'am, for
what? Who is this?
Ashish.
Ashish, you can ask Sanket. He'll give it to you.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
All right. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.